Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an animated splash screen using Lottie package. So I have created a Flutter project. So first we have to add that Lottie package to our pubspec.yml. So we'll open the terminal and we'll write Flutter pub add Lottie. So this will add that Lottie package. Now we have to download the Lottie animation from Lottie files. So you just have to open the browser and type this. You can choose any animation. As of now I'm using this animation, so I have already downloaded this animation. It's in my download folder, shoppingcart.json. We will add this animation to our assets. So we'll first create a folder called assets, and under that folder we'll create one more folder called animation. So all the animations will go in this folder. So now add this animation, downloaded animation, to this animation folder. Yes, now you can see here the animation is there. We have to do one change to the pubspec.yml. We have to basically comment out this, and we'll change this path to assets and animations slash, and we'll hit pub get. So now we'll head back to main.dart. We'll remove this code. I'll remove this class. We'll create a new class. We'll open the leaf folder. We'll create a folder called UI, in which we'll create a one more folder called splash, and inside this splash folder we'll create a splash.dart. We'll import material class. Now we'll create a stateful class called splash screen. Now we'll use this splash screen here. We'll have to remove this. Splash screen. Now in our splash screen we'll need to have a scaffold. So I'll just run this project for you guys so you guys can see. Now we have to select the emulator from here and hit run. This will take a time. So you can see the project is running. Yeah, now we'll code the splash screen. So scaffold have a body. In the body we'll have one column. In the column has children's. In children's we'll add a text called shopping app, and we'll give style, this style or text style, with the font sizing of 35 pixels, font weight as bold, and color as black. We'll align it as center, main axis center, cross axis center. Yeah, so now we'll use that Lottie package, Lottie dot assets. Now we'll add this path, this assets, animations, and shopping cart. So we'll type here assets, animations slash shopping cart dot json. Now you can see here the animation. I will resize this, add a width of 250 pixels, and we'll center align this using center widget. Now you can see it is centered aligned. We'll add some space between them, so we'll use column spacing 20. So yes, that's all guys. This is how we can create an animated splash screen using Lottie package. So hope you guys like the video. Please do subscribe. Thank you.